The ISIS flexible pouch packing line has been developed to provide manufacturers with a flexible and reliable platform for integrated pouch making and packing. The platform supports stable production, efficient changeovers, and long-term operational flexibility. The process starts as either pre-made paper insert or inline-made laminated pouches are automatically fed into the continuous production flow. Each pouch is accurately positioned and pre-blown, establishing the foundation for stable downstream filling and processing. Every pouch is carefully opened and prepared for filling. Sensor-based verification confirms both pouch height and positional alignment before the filling sequence begins. This verification ensures each pouch is correctly presented for reliable product transfer while maintaining continuous production flow. The required product portion is prepared for filling and pre-compressed before dosing. Following product transfer, the walking beam continues to support the pouch as it progresses through the sealing operation. Maintaining product compression until sealing is complete enables consistent pouch formation, reliable seal integrity, and a uniform finished product profile. The pouch then proceeds towards the closing section, where integrated inspection systems verify the presence of product and identify any empty pouches before the closing sequence begins. Following verification, the pouch is securely closed according to the selected product specification. The modular platform accommodates multiple pouch configurations and closure solutions, enabling manufacturers to respond efficiently to changing production requirements with minimal changeover time and operational interruption. Throughout the entire production process, integrated motion control and operator accessibility contribute to reliable day-to-day manufacturing. Depending on the selected product configuration, optional process stations such as adhesive application, tax stamp application, labeling, or additional pouch features can be integrated directly into the production flow. Following the closing process, every finished pouch is discharged and ready for downstream handling, inspection, or secondary packaging. The platform is designed to support production stability, straightforward maintenance, and future operational flexibility while maintaining consistent product quality.